Most college students in the US are broke, but this 19-year-old from Texas found a weird way to make money, using nothing but AI. His name is Jake, and this is how he made $700 in just 1 week with ChatGPT. Jake was juggling classes, working late nights at a gas station, and still couldn't pay for his textbooks. He didn't know coding. He had zero freelancing experience, but he was curious. And one night, that curiosity led him to ChatGPT. Jake read a Reddit post about people making money with AI tools. So he created a free ChatGPT account and started testing things. He asked it to write product descriptions for fake products. It worked fast. The next day, he signed up on Fiverr and Etsy freelance groups. He offered AI-powered writing services, product descriptions, $10 each, delivered in 1 hour. Within 3 days, Jake got 8 clients. He used ChatGPT to generate content, then edited slightly to make it sound human. In total, he delivered 22 jobs in 7 days. At $10 to $15 per job, he made over $700 from his dorm room without spending a single dollar on tools. Jake didn't stop there. He started experimenting with other tools, like Canva for design and Notion AI for organizing client tasks. He now earns part-time money using AI while still focusing on school. And the best part? He never had to show his face or record any videos. AI is changing lives, not in the future, but right now. And stories like Jake's are happening all across America. If you're not using AI yet, you're already behind. Subscribe to aImpact Stories for more real-life AI success stories every week.